I'll do just a quick installation video or run through of a Symposer delete. Obviously this and what you need to do. I'm just taking off my underglows for the car because they're broke, because they're not exactly cheap ones. Well, they're not expensive ones, sorry. Potentially some water's got in there at some point for some of them not to work, but yeah, ignore all that. The reason I've taken the headlight off is because I will show you. I had my underglows wired to my battery, and I had some wiring in between this slot here, and I've actually got the wiring, you can see, because I chose to have it neat and tidy tucked away, I've had it in the arch liners. So there's wires in the arch liners, but obviously they're not connected to anything, so until I take the wheels off they'll stay there for now. So yeah, Voodoo Symposer delete. You can just about see it, hang on, just about see it there. It's a nice little mod, a little change, so try and run through best I can. But yeah, cut long story short, you have this here, where your Symposer is. Obviously you disconnect that there's nothing much you can do with, you just tuck it away nice and tidy. But then this little bad boy, I'm going to say bad, where you can see the clips. Try and get my... Alright, I'll try that again because my phone's just decided to stop the video. So, right, where that clip is there, that was all the way around the other side, so I couldn't get access to it. But eventually we got it off. Takes a nightmare to get off. So your Symposer is connected there, which you pull out. Yeah, take that out, obviously disconnect it from there, from the clamp, loosen it off. It does take a bit of a wiggling to do, it is a bit of a nightmare, but it does look a lot better when it's taken out. It's nice and neater, if it makes sense. But yeah, like I say, take the clamp off. What I'd probably say is put the clamp on, or sorry, when you loosen the clamp, I would say loosen it and put it on the bottom of the tube so you can still reach it. Put your Symposer delete in there, and then obviously loosen your clamp off over it, if that makes sense, because otherwise you're going to be fiddling about with it. Because we found that out, we put it in upside down, the logo that is, so we had to fiddle around with getting the clamp loose again, readjusting it and whatnot. But yeah, it is done. It's a lot better. In terms of noise difference, I don't know. Where's my keys? I don't know. Let's just hope I've not cut any wires to the car. Yeah, not a lot of noise difference. But yeah, they're in. So wearing away as you do. If anyone's not seen my covers, well, I've got one of them off. Fits nicely with my theme. So I'll fit that. That's on there. Same again for my engine bay cover. There we go. Some people have said, oh, it looks like tin foil, but until they look at it and they're like, oh yeah, that's nice. So anyway, I'm off. Catch you later.